Hello everyone, bonjour et bonsoir. I know it's been a while since I posted, but here we are. So we're gonna do a color today. So this is one of my stylists, actually, Andy. So if you guys remember, she is also from the video of me coloring lock extensions. And she has since cut off her lock extensions. So this is all her within 1 year of having her lock extensions. So we did like a color for her, reviving her color type of thing. This video is also video 1 of No Break November. I'm starting a day late, so you guys will get 2 videos today. If you don't know what No Break November is, stay tuned, I'll tell you later. This is her before. She doesn't really retwist often. She just really low maintenance, and some hair types can do that, some hair types cannot do that. Everybody cannot go a long time without retwisting and their hair is still intact. So please don't do this unless you absolutely understand what your hair has going on and it can handle not retwisting as often. So pretty much what I did is I lightened her roots and then I deposited the color, and here's the final result. And from here I'm gonna go ahead and retwist her hair and give her a style. So this was actually for her 1 year anniversary with her locks. So she had, like I said, the instant locks before, not the instant locks, the same day lock extensions before. I'll put a picture here. And then she let her hair grow out and she cut them off, and this is all her, and her hair has been flourishing ever since. When she first came to me, she had a lot of postpartum shedding in the front, so I parted the front a little bit bigger. And as you can see in the picture in the screen, I did flat twist just to keep her edges together. And now that they have grown, I actually had to add, do some instant locking in the front to create those locks where her hair has grown. I'll try to post more videos about things like that, more so like creating a lock on the spot on the client's head, whether it be a lock extension or an instant lock. I'll try to incorporate that. So you guys see in the little corner, that's all her journey right there. That's when I first installed her locks. Like I told you guys before, that is same day extension. I literally made every single lock on her head. I didn't pre-make them, literally made them on her head. So we had a good old time that night. But so pretty much what I'm doing here is I'm retwisting her hair, and she's one of my clients that does not like gel or doesn't prefer to have gel. So what I did here is I pretty much, her hair's still damp, so I am just parting her hair, cleaning up her parts. She has random parts, so it's not grid or square or anything like that. It's just random parting. And with her hair damp, I moisturize her scalp as I go. So her hair's damp already, so I add very light oils to her scalp and I go ahead and retwist. She has never used gel on her hair. I've used gel on her edges because, like I said before, it was a lot of hair that I left out on purpose just to give her edges a chance to grow back from postpartum shedding. And they have grown back. So there you have it. So this is the water that I'm using. It's actually a distilled lavender water, and I'm spraying it just to keep the moisture going. Especially with coloring, you really have to be huge on moisture because so your hair doesn't get dry. And because she has a lot of new growth, we're not going to, some clients would prefer a crochet maintenance or something like that, but her hair does well and it's not breaking. Like I said, if you understand your hair type, you understand your hair porosity, you understand your dryness, you probably shouldn't go this long without a retwist. But if you can, you can. And I'm just retwisting her hair because her roots are extremely healthy. She needs no type of repair. However, if she did need some repair, I would just, where you see the new growth at, I would crochet all of that loose hair just to give her hair a more strong base. Her locks a more strong base, so there's no breaking. But as you can see, there's no hair breaking away from her locks. Her roots just look so amazing and luscious. And these are the oils that the oil that I use for her hair. Been using it since day one. She loves it, so I keep it around. And it is the tropical, what was I doing? It is the tropical roots oil. You guys can click my Amazon link in the description to find this oil. It's a very light oil, very good alternative. It's really what I use on most of my clients who don't really like product before I created my own oil. As I said, this is a year after starting her her locks with extensions. She didn't keep the extensions in for a whole year. I believe it was probably 6 months that she kept it in, but this is a year after that initial process that I gave you guys a sneak of earlier. That video is actually on this channel. You guys can look it up. It's called Dying Same Day Lock Extensions or something like that, but it's one of the more recent videos, so you guys should not have any issues finding it. I usually, if the client doesn't have a lot of new growth or their parts are really defined and I don't have to go searching for their parts, which her parts are pretty defined. It's been, I believe she retwists maybe twice a year. So maybe this was her second or third retwist ever. And if there's that much new growth, I will use clips to reinforce the locks. But if she didn't have this much new growth, I probably would just do a loop method retwist because she's gonna get a style after this. As a stylist, you know how valuable time is when you are behind the chair. If you have not tried the loop method retwist when retwisting someone's hair, knowing you're going to style it after, try it and see how it decreases some of your time. The clips do help if this is the situation, or if you're someone who just likes using them, then it is what it is. If you guys are familiar with my videos, you'll see that I always work from the bottom to the top of the head. That's just how I'm more comfortable. Some people work from the sides, some people work from the top, but I like to work from the back to the front because the back is literally my foundation, and how I start is how I complete the hair. So this is her edges. Look, just look at them. They look so good, so luscious, so healthy. And as you guys can see, she went brighter in the color. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I'm just gonna hush and let you guys enjoy the slow-mo. Alright, so after she got her shakes in, after drying, and as I told you guys, I did some instant locking in the front where she had enough new grow hair to form instant locks. Now I went ahead and styled her hair. We did an up and down style. I didn't film the styling only because I didn't want to take too much time filming. I wanted to focus more on just doing her hair, but I filmed as much as I can to share with you guys. I have gotten a lot of inquiries about classes and teaching, and I absolutely would love to do that. I'm working it out right now to where I can provide education in an effective manner. So hopefully by 2022, we can have consistent classes online and in person. Because of COVID, I had to really dial back on that, but hopefully we'll have that soon. And if you guys need any information about what I use, the description has the links to everything, the link to book. And when you click the link to book, you will find all the information about the salon, the phone number, where we're located, all of that. So please feel free to browse the description for all the questions you may have, or leave them in the comments. I try my best to read the comments. So this is the final style. It was so cute. I did kind of like a spiral type thing at the front, and then the back I did 2-strand twists so she could have an up and down style. It was so cute. I absolutely enjoyed doing her hair. As I said, any questions you guys may have, more than likely it's in the description box. Any links to order any products, any crochet needles, hair products. I'm going to be posting a lot more about my hair products. I do have a shampoo out with oils, and there's more products to come, so definitely stay tuned. This is where the booking link will take you. It will have all the information that you need. We also have a business number. You can call the business number if you have any questions. And we also have an Instagram. You can follow us on Instagram. I usually post more content on Instagram because it's easier and faster. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Also, I didn't explain No Break November. If you're new here, you probably don't know what that is, but it's when I challenge myself to post a video every day in November. So that's what I will be doing, and there'll be 2 videos uploaded today because I am a day late, sorry. My OG subscribers, you guys already know what No Break November is. I didn't do it last year. I think I was just way too busy. But this year I'm still busy, but I'm going to challenge myself to do it. So definitely stay tuned this entire month. See you guys later. Bye.